Right, there's a break in the weather. So I've been able to get the bike outside and I'm having a mess around with some of the bodywork. Let me know what you think works. So I've got this new black mudguard and I've put it roughly in place. I've put the seat on, I've put the tank on, I've put the rack on, just to get an idea about the shape of it all. But I'm not sure where this black mudguard needs to go. Now, a couple of things to bear in mind. Where you can see the black plastic around the air filters, there's going to be a black battery box in there taking up that space. Also, there's going to be an exhaust hanging off the side. Haven't quite figured out what I'm doing about that, but yeah, there's going to be exhaust mounting off those two holes there. Also, you can see there's bits of wiring and stuff hanging off at the moment. Now, to my mind, the seat and the tank are fairly well integrated. The rack, kind of less so. The subframe just doesn't line up with the seat. The lines it makes aren't sympathetic at all. I'm gonna have to find some way of managing that. Something's gonna have to happen with that, I think, but I'm not entirely sure. So this is the black mudguard in, I guess, what you'd call the forward position. This is the mudguard in what I originally thought it was going to be, a kind of hipster mudguard with a little round light on top. This is the mudguard, again in a rear position, but angled slightly differently to give it a bit more of a point to it. Three potential positions there. Where the mudguard sits is critical for that look of the whole back end of the bike, and I'm not sure how to proceed.